Hello friends, welcome back to Teeny Tiny Work, and today I'm gonna make something really useful for girls like me. My mother always tells to clean the clips and keep it safe. Then I keep on losing my clips. So today we're gonna make something really useful for us. So for that we need some things. We need some old things. We are going to reuse. Of course we're gonna reuse. So we need a hanger. We need some ribbons from old gift wrappers. These are also gift wrapper ribbons. And this is my brother's old shoelace. And this is some bangles. This is my bangles and my mother's bangles. This is my Inga Garments cover. It is really useful for us. It has a nice button and a hanger which we're going to hang. We have two of them. And this is my clip collection. These are some of my rubber bands. So these are also my clips. I like this one the most. So let's start. So first we are going to take these ribbons and we're going to put this big bangle. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we put it top. Ta-da! We finished tying them. So next what we're gonna do, take these big ribbons and then take the starting part. So next what we're gonna do is take the bangles and then fold them like this, and then we're gonna take pin and then put at the end. Pin it. Wait, did it go? Oh my god. Oh. So I'm done pinning these 4 big ribbons on the bangles. And they are really strong like superheroes. So next what we're going to do is take these old shoelaces and we're going to put this in the middle for the smaller teeny tiny clips. So we have to shift these bigger ones so there will be space in the middle. So I'll show you easy way to tie. So we're gonna do like 4 these and we're gonna hold like this. So we put it here. I'll just try once again. Oh yeah. Okay. So we take it like this. Please don't. So we have. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna do like this. We're gonna put this one inside. Then you just do like this. Then you just push it together like a magnet. We put it together and then we pull. Ta-da! I have mostly more than one smaller clip, so we have 2 strings to put on. That was more than bigger clips. I have more smaller clips. So I have 2 strings, so we can put more smaller clips. So next what we're going to do is, so we are done with these. So next what we're going to do is take, I'm taking it to, we're going to take some bangles and tie it on the end of these smaller ribbons. I mean shoelaces. So that the small clips will not fall down. Also that we can hang these. Ta-da! So what we're gonna do is take the bracelet, bangle. So then we're gonna tie this 2 times or it will loose down. Wait, how? Oh yeah. What? Am I tying it properly? What am I doing? I'll just try it again. Then, boom! Wait, what? It's tiring. I need a... Order. No, not falling. So next, see now it's ready. So, as you know, we are going to, you know what to do. You have to clip the clip. We don't need these 2 bangles, so I can just leave it. Let's start. Let's start clipping. Can you just bring it a little more front? Bunny! Your bunnies. Flip the last one. Yeah. Oh! Next one, right? Let's just start clipping. Let me put this for you so you can see. One. And this one, the yellow one. Look, they are both same. Thank you. Yep. Oh, my hands are sweaty. This one. Look at with blue strawberries. More. Green one falling out of one. Yeah. Okay, so that's green. Go with the small ones. Small is cute. Oh, move aside, please. Let's clip. This one. This one. The red one. Oh no. What is this? Yeah. Oh no. Oh, fine. Yeah. Next one. Oh, so, pinchy pitch. So we just put it here. That one. This is a cute one. Hello. My goodness. This one is like that when I was a baby. When I was a baby, I wore this. Let it up. Yeah. Oh my God. Take this flower. Take the flower. Look at here. Oh, there's so many bows. Let me take out the bows. Green, brown. Wait, what? Oh, there's a clip here. Clip. Okay. No, let's start clipping. Wait, I already did it. Wow. Out again. It's so much fun. The orange one. Yeah. I'm almost done, I guess. Wait, I'm not done. There's so many clips more. So I'll just keep on going. Yeah. Ooh, look at this one. This has small hearts inside. This is a flower. So we thought, so you already know now what we're going to put in this bag. But do you know what we're going to put in that bag? It's just front of you. Yep, rubber bands. We're going to put in this cover hanging. This one is already finished, so this is already finished. So we're going to clip it. You see that? Oh, we had it. So let's do it. So we'll make a big gap. So you know we're going to put rubber band all over the place. Yeah. Put. Woo! Oh my god, my hands are fitting. Rainbow colors. Wow. So look at this hot orange. So bright. Blue. Purple pink, I guess. Purple, pink, yellow, green, green, and green, and green. Blue, black, orange, purple, pink. And this one is actually not a rubber band. See the back side, you feel like it's a rubber band. But I got this from a Kinder. It's a ring. It has a diamond and Barbie logo. But still I put it on this side. So it's like a rubber band. So let me put it that side. Whee! Purple, blue, blue, purple, 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 red, 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 no, orange, orange, wait, what, orange, orange, and one more orange, and then orange, why? Then we put some yellow, this to yellow, stuff it in. Got this is actually rubber band. Also we can, it's a rubber band, black one. It's so thin, look. So we got a small rubber band. Are these rubber bands? Oh, these are my leftover bangles, so no, we don't need it. So we're gonna click this one too, stuff it in, and then click. Yeah, wait. Did it click? Oh, yeah. Wait. It's fun to click on. So, let's have a dance party. So, let's take the smaller pieces. This one, let me have the clip. Not too, wait. Not too heavy, not too heavy. Don't pull everything. Then I got this one. Ooh. Ah, hold on. It's all done. Woo! Finally it's done. So let's see how it looks. Ta-da! Wow! I'm showing the back side. Sorry. Wow! Look. Beautiful. I like this one, the golden, and it has a feather, you see. Wow. And these are the two packets. Oh my god. Oh, I have another idea. Oh, yay, we got two packets. How do you like it? Hope you enjoy. Bye.